Macro blocking is a security feature introduced by Microsoft to prevent malicious actors from using macros in Office documents to deliver malware and ransomware. Macros are small snippets of code embedded in Office documents that can perform various tasks, such as downloading and executing malicious files. Macro blocking makes it more difficult for users to enable macros in documents received from the Internet, by adding more layers of warning and requiring more clicks. However, macro blocking has not stopped cyber criminals from innovating and finding new ways to bypass security measures and infect systems. Some of the techniques that cyber criminals have adapted to macro blocking are steganography, obfuscation, and encryption. Steganography is the practice of hiding a secret message within another non-secret object, such as an image, a video, or an audio file. Steganography makes the message imperceptible to those who are not aware of its presence, and thus avoids detection by security tools that scan for suspicious files. For example, a cyber criminal could embed a malicious script or a URL within an image file and send it as an email attachment. The recipient would see a normal image, but if they open it with a specific program or key, they would execute the hidden code. Obfuscation is any technique that prevents third parties from understanding a message or a code. Obfuscation can be used to make malware harder to analyze and reverse engineer by security researchers. For example, a cyber criminal could use obfuscation to remove white space, rename variables, or encrypt strings in their malicious code. Obfuscation can also be used to hide network traffic by modifying header fields in TCP, IP, or other network protocols. Encryption is the process of transforming a message or a code into an unreadable form using a key. Encryption can be used to protect the confidentiality and integrity of data, as well as to authenticate the sender and the receiver. Encryption can also be used to hide malware within encrypted files or network traffic. For example, a cyber criminal could use encryption to encrypt their malicious payload and send it as an email attachment. The recipient would need the correct key to decrypt and execute the payload, *10. These techniques are not mutually exclusive, and cyber criminals can combine them to create more sophisticated and stealthy attacks. For example, steganography could hide an encrypted message within an image file, which could contain an obfuscated code that downloads and executes a ransomware. By using these techniques, cyber criminals can evade macro blocking and other security measures, and achieve their malicious objectives.